Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Today I'm sharing one project with you, but in two versions, and I am calling it a Shuttercard wallet. It is a relatively quick to make project. It is not very difficult, but if you don't know how to do these things, there is a little tutorial for you waiting in my Etsy shop. It is very affordable. And well, just check it out. So there's two versions, and let's look at what we see here. So there are chipboard covers to this wallet, and the version that I did here is without any bulky decorations, so just showcasing the papers, and just a little stamp, gefeliciteerd, which is congratulations in Dutch, and here made with love, also a stamp. And look at the lovely specialty papers here. And the base that I use is a white cardstock, and then it closes with a ribbon. So let's open it up. And here is the Shuttercard part. Look, there you go. Now, there are several surfaces, as you can see here. So I did 3 pictures and a journaling spot. So here I will write my message. You could, of course, fill everything up with pictures, or add more pictures and less of the design paper, or less pictures and more of the design paper, or more journaling spots. So all of these surface areas give you lots of opportunities to play around. Now, because these papers that I use, which are by DCWV, Colorful Life, which is an older collection, these are all specialty papers. So they have these glittery foiled surfaces. And I thought I would continue that in the pictures themselves. So let's look at the pictures up close. So I added some stickles here and here, and also here, just some details. And I did that on every picture. So here I highlighted the ring, my mother's ring, my earrings. I highlighted some details of the journaling spot here, also with some glitter glue. And then here on the top picture, I added some stickles here to the glittery shirt that my mother was wearing for Christmas. Some glitters here on my necklace and my earring and my ring. So this is to continue the specialty paper feel, so everything now has glitter. So that is just a fun detail that I thought I'd show you. So this is the first version, so showcasing the paper and adding a stamp. I also used 2 separate pieces of paper here, mainly because this is 8 by 8 inch paper, so 8 inches is the longest that it is. Whereas the wallet itself is longer than 8 inches, so I needed some extra papers, and this is what I did with it. So used it as a place to stamp a sentiment. And the second one, here I decorated the front of the wallet. As you can see, this is a birthday version, and also specialty paper is used here. Now this is a cut apart that I printed myself, which is why there is a little bit of a gloss here, because it's glossy photo paper, and I printed the sentiment onto it as well. Now this cut apart is part of my vintage notelet printable collection, and this is a very affordable printable because it is meant for a step card, and it comes with a cut apart sheet. This is one of its beautiful cut aparts. Now this is a die cut that I glued on top of it. I also decorated with some punch out die cuts here, pieces of decorative chipboard, and well, some green die cuts here, some leaves. So this is the front of this version, and then the back is simply the specialty paper here. Lovely paper, also by DCWV, by the way, Coral Couture. Now the inside is different paper, but I just love that gold foiling. So again, the Shuttercard part. This one has a different feel, so no glittering here, no specialty papers, but lots of florals and greens and pinks and sort of a spring color theme. Also some wood pattern here, and even some galaxy pattern here. I don't know what this paper is. I got it from someone as a gift, which I loved. But it didn't have a name on it, so I don't know what it's called. Here I stamped Birthday Love from Me to You. This is a Kaisercraft stamp. And here I used 3 pictures again. And this time I didn't print the journaling spot or writing spot, but I used simply another piece of design paper that was more of a solid or didn't have much pattern to it, so I can write onto it. So that is the second way of doing that. Yeah, so there you go. So again, I could have used more pictures, but I chose to do it like this. So this is my Shuttercard wallet with a chipboard cover, 2 versions, one with decorations, and you could of course go all out and be as bulky as you like, and the other just showcasing beautiful, beautiful specialty paper and a sentiment stamp. So I hope you like this idea, like this design. Let me know by pressing the thumbs up if you like this video. And I will see you next week. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.